Instead of meditating on a thing or wishing or desiring to be something, just be that quality. Don't, forget the identification with the physical and the mental and your name and occupation and all those ways of specifying linear separateness, and see yourself as reflecting reflecting qualities. See yourself as, so that you walk around as a reflection of the field. Instead of seeking something, what you do is you act out and be that quality. You act out and be that quality. That, if you reflect that quality, then you don't have to think anymore. Because you just are that. And that which you are automatically does that which is concordant with the field. So to be polite and considerate, then, means that you value that quality and you become that which you value. So if you want people to be considerate and generous and nice to you, then all you have to do is reflect that quality. So right away you see you're out of the linear domain, and now you've become a field. You're the reflection of a field. Instead of a person, forget being a person. It's so boring being a person. All we want to know about you, we can look up on the internet. Everybody's so paranoid about their privacy and the government and all. It's hysterical. Don't worry about your privacy. You don't have any. You can't lose what you don't have. I can call Brock and say, look up something or other, and the printout is all over the floor. Where you've ever been, where you've ever shopped, everything you thought, everything you ever bought, every place you've ever been, every store you go in, you're on video. Privacy. So that's all the individual, see? And that's all the linear domain. And that's what people get stuck in. They think that they're all those specifications. So to move ahead spiritually then, it's better to identify with fields rather than content of the field. To be the quality with which you find yourself surrounded. Then that which you have become reflects that back to the world. You'll find that New York is a loving, wonderful place. Everybody is generous, everybody was solicitous, everybody was very polite. Everybody knocked themselves out to be as congenial as possible. We stayed in a lovely place. Everybody treated us elegantly. We went for a handsome ride in the park. The horses were friendly. Everybody was friendly. So what is the complaint? So you become the quality. You become the reflection of that quality. Because there isn't really any entity there anyway. When the entity disappears, that which you've become continues to walk around in the world, talk, and it even gives lectures. I didn't know what it was going to do for many years. I had no idea what it was going to do for many years.